Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm going to show you a quick video on how you bleed the power steering system. This comes from my power steering line fix video, and I'll put the link to that in the video description, so please check it out. Make sure that the wheels are properly chocked because we're lifting the front of the car up in the air. You want to make sure the car does not roll. So leave the car in gear and make sure that the parking brake is up. And we're going to go underneath the car and we're going to lift with the floor jack. So we're going to lift back here on this frame rail support, and then we're going to put a jack stand towards the front. So make sure that it's good and solid and not going to fall down. Then we'll go around to the other side, put a jack stand in the same spot, lifting in the same places. Just make sure the car's level and not going to fall. Now we need to make sure that both of the wheels are in the air. So you want to make sure that you have jacks and jack stands on each side to make sure that it's safe. Okay, so now what we're going to do is add power steering fluid to the reservoir. And the whole point here is we do not want the level to get so low that it starts sucking air in. If the level gets too low and starts sucking air in, you have to start over again. Now you're going to want to get in and start the car up. And keep in mind, as soon as you do, it will suck that fluid down. Okay, so you're adding fluid the whole time, making sure that it doesn't go too low. So you're going to go all the way to the left, and then you're going to go all the way to the right. And you're going to check that level. Okay, so if you don't have a second person to help you, you'll get out and just keep checking that level. All the way to the left. Yeah, let it do that current. Let it do that noise to get pressure. Okay, so just continue that process and check for any leaks. So as always, thanks for watching, and please check the video description where I'll have a playlist with more videos like this. Thanks, guys.